Hey guys, this is Michael, and this is also Gamer G40. Okay, so t today I'd like to tell you about what happened with my GPU. Okay, so the thing is that originally my GPU did not support a AMD Adrenalin software, which was the reason my driver would not update. Okay, so if you go in Device Manager, you'll see here it is, Radeon RX 480 graphics. And the thing is that um that driver was failing to work, and they actually updated. Now here's the thing, they updated it, but what I figured out, I contacted AMD, and they sent me these instructions. Well, when I went through the instructions, and I came across one thing. It was the AMD cleanup utility, and it cleaned it up, and everything works perfect. It worked just right, and all it is an AMD cleanup utility. So if you ever have that problem, contact AMD, or maybe, I don't know, maybe do they have AMD utility cleanup online? I don't know, but obviously it looks like they do, maybe, but obviously I have fixed the problem. And so, it's just one of those things that gave me a struggle to figure out. So anyways, thank you very much for watching. Hit that subscribe button. If I could please just get to 10 subscribers, that's all I need, is 10 subscribers. All right. And remember, never doubt the ability of a computer.